Hello again, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. I am so much fun. This one came from Suzanne down under, somewhere down under. We're going to upcycle some tin cans and some jars into vases, darling. You need some bark. You need some moss. I have also sphagnum moss somewhere. You're gonna need a hot glue gun. And don't forget your extra glue sticks. That's for later. You're gonna need a jar or a tin can, but we're using jars. So I guess, yeah, lay some of this stuff. Okay, that looks good there. Please be careful with your glue. Do as I say, not as I do. Ask me how I know. This needs broke off. Okay. You can, I mean, if this stuff bark is old enough, you can manipulate it. And you're going to need some pieces to fill in anyway, so that's all good. So let's do like that. Did you see that? I just dripped glue. Ouch. Already, I'm not paying attention to my own rules. Set it up. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, good. And you just carry on. Okay, time to reload. Once you get it to a pretty good filled up state with the bark, oops, you're going to come in with your moss. Now this stuff, you kind of have to pull it apart. Around the lip is where, uh-oh. You will stay. You will stay. And I gotta hurry and do this. This don't want to stay. things aren't perfect. They never are. So I've got a big gap here. I should have a pokey thing. I do. I think that's pretty good. I wish I had some flowers to show you. Well, I'll do a little clip later. Okay. All right. That is the moss and the bark. And look, I have so much. I could probably do at least 2 more. And I have also jars because I hoard them. So I should... Okay. I'm going to clean up and I'll be back. Okay. Now we're going to do some tin cans. I have painted these with this. You're going to need some Mod Podge. And you're going to need some napkins. And I want to show you one. This is only napkins on a tin can. These, I would use them to like give your neighbors or your friends or somebody in a nursing home. And then they don't have to worry about the can. They can either keep it or throw it away. Okay, this is holiday themed, but I'm going to use it anyway. I'm just going to cut them red flowers out of it. And pretend they're not poinsettias. They're not. They're lilies. Okay, stupid. They're lilies. And just roughly. Mod Podge. Oop, he's got some glue on him. I thought it would be fun to scrape off some of the paint and leave them outside to rust. You gotta be careful not to rip them. But if you do, so what? So what? It don't matter. Oh. She says be careful, and then she wasn't careful. Situation normal. Okay. Let that one dry. My friend painted a big coffee can, or a big 1-gallon can, I don't know. But then she painted it dark blue And she painted cherries on it, and it is way cool. I will put a picture. Number 2. Now you can, I guess we probably should, on this one, we'll seal it, the whole thing. I need to wipe that off though. I'm going to put it down like this to dry. Now you can also put the napkins right on a jar. I don't know what that was. It came from inside. Yeah, it's a good way to jazz things up, to put your flowers in, to give them away, or put them on your table. It don't matter. It don't matter. Do what you want. Do what you want. This bad boy. Hey, you could put maybe little woodland creatures on there, or fairies, or, you know, you do you. There's spider webs from the glue. You could put some spiders on there. Okay. Thank you for watching. I will see you again.